Hi, Super Son.
Hi.
You're looking very, very fresh from your basketball and things like that. Today, we're going to have a little look at two systems. The first system we're going to have a little look at
Organ
is,
system.
no, not organ system. These are systems to do with the environment, actually. So we're talking big systems here. We're dealing with cycles of things that happen. So we're having a little look at the carbon cycle and the water cycle. All right. This isn't a bicycle cycle. This is just something that goes around. All right.
Wait,
So
so like a life cycle?
very much like a life cycle. Very good. Now, what we're going to start off with is the carbon
Hmm.
cycle. Now, what do you think carbon is?
Carbon dioxide.
Yeah, it's found in carbon dioxide, and actually, we're going to start with carbon dioxide. Now, the formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Very good. CO2 is found in the air, and plants use CO2. Do you know what they use CO2 for?
Um, no.
Well, they use it in a process called photosynthesis.
Synthesis.
Very good. And we've looked at photosynthesis, and the plant takes in CO2 in the air. This goes to plants, all right?
Hmm.
But plants also do something else. They don't just take in sunlight, CO2, and water. They also produce some energy. Now, do you know what the process by which they produce energy
Um,
is?
uh,
Do you
no.
need the toilet, Alvin John?
Yes.
Go on, you go for a break. Quick pause while Alf goes to the toilet. He will be back. Feel better?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So plants take in carbon dioxide by photosynthesis, and they do another process in which they make energy. Do you know how we make energy and how plants make energy?
Um, we make energy by having tea.
No, begins with R.
Reputation.
Res, respiration. Do you remember respiration?
Uh, kind of.
Kind of. Okay, well, respiration is when you burn sugar to produce oxygen in your muscles to give you energy. All right, a little bit
Mm,
like you burn a bonfire to give you heat. You burn sugar in your muscles to produce energy, and in the same way, plants will do that. And when you burn things, you give out CO2, which is one of the reasons why, if you've got factories, for example, they will give out CO2 as well, because they burn things called fossil
Pulse.
fuels. So factories. That's right, they burn coal. Very good. All right, now remember your stuff on food chains. Oh, now I've got to go out. I've got to pause it. That's the doorbell. Bear with me.
Okay.
Sorry about that, Alvin. Uh,
Okay.
okay. So plants, remembering food chains, what happens to plants?
Um, in food chains.
Yeah,
So,
cabbages.
so rabbits eat cabbages.
Right, so they're
Cats eat
eaten.
rabbit.
Good boy. So plants are eaten. And so
The
that
sun is,
energy,
oh, the sun is the